What's going on, everybody? This is Tyrell. I know it's been a minute, but let's get right into it. The purpose of this video, I'm going to show you exactly which cryptocurrencies I'm invested in, give you a little bit of insight into why I'm invested in them, and take a look at some of the price charts for these cryptocurrencies. So before I take a look at whichever specific crypto I'm in, I like to take a look at the total crypto market cap. So this is the aggregate of all the cryptocurrencies that are out there. And the total crypto market cap, we're currently sitting at $1.31 trillion. And as you can see, we just had this rise from March of last year all the way up to 1.31 trillion. It was at 1.7, but this past week, everything just took a brutal hit. Not just cryptocurrencies, but stocks as well. Okay, so you can see that little sell-off. It could be a lot of people just taking profits and a lot of coins coming onto the market, dropping the price a little bit. But if you think about it, that's really an opportunity to get in at lower prices. Excuse me. So the first crypto, of course, is Bitcoin. You got to have some Bitcoin. It's the very first one. It has the most awareness out there in the world. It's always in the media, and you can really see just how much it's grown from March of last year to now, right? So we're currently sitting at 956% gain in 1 year. Now that's astounding. It's great to see. Like, my portfolio has grown because of this rise. And if you think about what happened in this past year, you had a lot of institutional investors buying Bitcoin, right? So what I've done personally is I worked and I dollar cost averaged, right? So you can look at any of my previous videos. That's something I preach about, just dollar cost average. So you buy a little bit as you go. I work a job, I get a paycheck, I dollar cost average into Bitcoin. And also in another previous video, what I do is I take my Bitcoin and I put it onto a platform where it's going to earn interest, right? So in a previous video, I explained how I use Vauld, V-A-U-L-D, as a platform where I can put my cryptocurrency onto it and earn interest, 7% interest, right? So as you can see, the price hit a high of 58,400, and then this past week it was kind of brutal. A lot of new people were getting into the cryptocurrency space because, like, they saw everything just rising, and then it was just like a massive sell-off. So whoever bought up here, they're in a little bit of a drawdown. But you got to think, if you're in this for the long run, this is just a bump in the road, really, and it's really an opportunity to get in at a lower price, right? So what I said in a previous video of dollar cost averaging, whenever you purchase a little bit as you go, that really decreases the amount of volatility that you get in buying at different price points, right? So you could have bought at a high, but like, say you wait a week, you buy at a low, right? So I'm dollar cost averaging, and I set that up for every Sunday. Had I set that up for like a Monday or whatever, I would have bought up here. But the way my DCA is set up, I'm gonna be buying at a low, so that works out for me. Next, I have Ethereum. Just like the rest of the crypto market, this price took a massive hit, and the reason I'm in Ethereum is because the entire DeFi ecosystem, well, the majority of the DeFi ecosystem is built upon Ethereum. So a lot of these tokens that are out there, they are ERC20 tokens, right? They're built upon Ethereum, and there's so much utility out there that allows people to, practice decentralized finance. They have decentralized apps, and one thing that's like really coming about now are NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and those are built upon ERC20 projects, right? So this one had a spectacular rise as well. Massive sell-off after hitting a high of 2041, and then people just sold it off. There's some good things and bad things about Ethereum. So the good thing is it really has a head start in the DeFi ecosystem. But the way that it is designed now, there's just a huge scalability issue. And since there's so many people using these platforms, the network is congested and it's causing really high transaction fees for people to just really use these DEXs and DeFi protocols, unfortunately. So unless you have a lot of Ethereum and a lot of money, it's kind of just a drop in the bucket. But for some people, they only have a couple $100, maybe $1,000, and if they're paying like $50 for a transaction fee, that really eats into their profits and eats into their capital. So it's really deterring a lot of people from using Ethereum as a platform to do these things. And there's a lot of alternatives out there that are being developed and are already more scalable and efficient than Ethereum. And what I said in a previous video as well, I take my Ethereum and I place it onto a platform to earn interest. So I'm earning 7% interest on all of my Ethereum holdings right now, Vault via ULD. And what you can even do with Ethereum, so there's a current upgrade going on with the Ethereum blockchain. So it's changing from a proof of work to a proof of stake. So what people can do is take their Ethereum, place it into a contract, and they're going to secure the network and at the same time earn a reward in Ethereum. So I personally don't do that. Like I could have, but my Ethereum would have been locked up for a year, maybe 2 years, however long it's going to take for this new upgrade to come about. And currently there's a lot of platforms out there that are going to start offering staking as a service. So if you don't have the threshold, the 32 Ethereum to become your own validator, you can delegate your Ethereum into a pool, and then they'll set everything up for you, and then you just earn a portion of the rewards and everything. So I know that Coinbase is doing that. I know that Kraken is doing that. I'm unsure about Binance, but there's so many platforms out there that you could just like pick and choose. Just do Google search and just go from there. Yeah. Next is Cardano. This is like the darling of my portfolio. Now, I'm a little mad at myself because I've been in this project for years, right? Going all the way back to like 2019 when it was like at 7 cents. I read their white paper and I saw their roadmap and I was just like, I really like this project, and I bought a lot of Cardano. I had like 90,000 at one point, and then in like July, September, I sold the majority of it because there was like a rise from like 7 cents to 14, 15 cents. So like I 2x'd my money and I was just like, all right, cool, that's a nice gain. And then it fell off, and I didn't like dollar cost average into Cardano, but I reread the white paper and I was just like, okay, like I'll just buy some, right? And then this thing just took off. So it nearly hit 1.5, $1.50, right, from 7 cents. So had I just held on to it, like that would have been nearly 6 figures, right? That's a crazy gain. It doesn't matter who you are, that's still a crazy gain. But I didn't hold on to all of my Cardano. And after this sell-off, so you saw the Bitcoin and the Ethereum charts. So you see this bearish candle. With Cardano, you don't see that. So it really had a lot of staying power. And then I've been monitoring ETH and Cardano. Both of these hit new all-time highs around the same time. So Ethereum hit $2,000, Cardano surpassed $1. And then after the sell-off, Ethereum went down a lot, but Cardano, it had a lot of staying power, right? And Cardano is really a competitor to Ethereum. The creator of Cardano actually worked on Ethereum, and then he saw a lot of the scalability issues present in Ethereum, and it was just like, hey, I'm gonna go make my own blockchain. And he created Cardano, Charles Hoskinson. And there's a lot of really cool developments with Cardano, right? So it's going to be a DeFi platform. There's going to be native tokens similar to ERC20, but for the Cardano blockchain, and there's already staking for Cardano, which is what I do. I currently use the Yoroi wallet. Here, I'll show you this. So you can really stake your Cardano and then earn rewards for Cardano. So that's why I really like it. And there's a lot of like developments coming about for Cardano that are going to start hitting like tomorrow, which is nice. Next I have Graph. Now I found Graph when I was on Coinbase, and they have Coinbase rewards, so you can really learn about cryptocurrencies and earn that cryptocurrency. So I did one for the Graph, right? So a protocol for indexing blockchain data. So it gives you a quick explainer and stuff like that. And I remember I was watching a video, and the person that was in the video, they're just like, it's sort of like the Google for blockchains. And like when I heard that, I was just like, okay, that makes a lot of sense, right? So all these blockchains, right, they create a lot of data, and being able to query that data to ask some type of question unlocks a lot of information, so it's going to be valuable. So when I got into the Graph, it was like, or was it like at 20 cents or whatever? No, like 30 cents or whatever. I was like, okay, this makes a lot of sense. So I bought some Graph, and then it's just exploded. But given like the majority of the crypto market, there was a massive sell-off. So it went from its all-time highs, since it's a brand new cryptocurrency, and just like fell off. But that's okay, because I'm just holding on to it longer term. I just know that the Graph has a lot of partnerships right now. Like Uniswap uses it. I know that they are building layer 1 solutions, so like with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and there's even a partnership with Cardano in the works that the Graph is going to start providing solutions for. So like anybody can like graph or Google blockchain data, whether that be like, hey, how much capital is in this platform, or how many tokens outstanding, stuff like that. Pretty cool stuff. Now next is Tezos. This is like a secure upgradable blockchain. I initially got in at 87 cents back in November of 2019, and you can see this thing is kind of just been in this channel, right? Just oscillating. So highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. It's in a low right now, but that's totally okay. The reason I got into this one is because you can hold some Tezos on the Coinbase platform, and then you're going to be earning interest. So that's kind of like the theme of my portfolio. Like I'm only going to hold something if like I can earn some type of reward in it, or it has some type of utility. All right, so I'll show you not Algorand, lifetime rewards. So you can see my Tezos here. I've earned $187 worth of Tezos, 55 Tezos. And that's me just holding Tezos in my portfolio on Coinbase, right? So like I can buy Tezos, and then I'm gonna automatically earn rewards in Tezos. So similar to staking, what they do is it's called baking, and that's just securing the network, and Coinbase does it for me automatically. I just had to opt into it, and those rewards are dumped back into my Tezos balance, and then it's like compound interest, right? So that's really the name of the game. So that's Tezos, and then of course I have that chart. Next is Algorand, and Algorand, I like this one because it's the first pure proof of stake. Pure proof of stake blockchain. And the founder, he really laid the foundation for a lot of what the cryptocurrencies are built upon, Silvio Micali. And the same thing with Tezos. I'm earning a reward in Algorand, and like literally I earn a reward every day, right? So I hold Algorand, it's earning interest, and that's redeposited back into my account for compound interest. And this price goes up or goes down, I just know that over time my balance of Algorand is going to increase. Same with Tezos. Same with Atom as well. Now Atom, this one, it aims to be a blockchain of blockchains, so it has a lot of interoperability between its blockchains, and that's going to unlock a lot of value in what it does, right? So as soon as there's more development with Atom, I can see this price appreciating. And as you can see here, I'm earning Atom rewards, so I'll just keep this up on the screen. Yeah, and I earn rewards every week. Like, I hold my Atom on Coinbase, I earn interest, and that's deposited back into my account. Granted, I will have to pay taxes on any rewards that I receive, but I mean, my money's working for me. Like, literally, like, I can literally see it in real time how much value I'm receiving and seeing my balance increase over time. So, you know, I don't control the market, I'm just a participant in it. And then oh, there's one more link. So this one is an ERC20 token, and it's a price oracle or data oracle. So what it does, it provides reliable, trusted data into a lot of these platforms. So whether that's a DeFi platform, it's getting weather reports from somewhere, or any other type of data, you can trust that whatever data that Chainlink provides is a factual, actual data, right? So I bought some Chainlink like down here in this area, price pumped to a new all-time high of $36, and then just like the rest of the crypto market, it just dumped. But I just held on, you know what I mean? Like, I'm practicing my diamond hands and just going from there. Like, I know that markets can't go up forever, and having this retracement is healthy for any market, right? Granted, a lot of people were like greedy when it was at all-time highs, and then a lot of people just sold off, you know. But you know, that's the name of the game. That's it, really. In a nutshell. Granted, there's a lot of other cryptocurrencies out there that you can do the exact same thing. I just know that if I take a longer term view and I expand my horizon, I just know over time I'm gonna have more of these cryptocurrencies, by me not necessarily really doing anything. I already dollar cost average any crypto that I can earn interest on, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I can put that on a platform to earn more interest, more of that cryptocurrency. With Cardano, Tezos, ALGO, Cosmos, I can put that to work by staking it, and then I earn rewards in that cryptocurrency, and then that price appreciates or depreciates over time. All right, well, that's my portfolio and some of my insights. Some of the things that I use is TradingView, as you can see here, Coinbase, Yoroi, and yeah, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and just let me know. If you want me to answer a question, I'm here for you. All right, this is Tyrell. Peace.